Most investors think AI is overextended and that ETFs like SMH are already overbought, but they're missing the bigger picture. We may actually be earlier than ever. AI is exploding, electric vehicles are everywhere, and data centers are expanding at record speed. The real money isn't just in the apps. It's flowing to the companies building the chips behind it all. Today, we're breaking down the SMH ETF, one of the most powerful semiconductor funds in the market, and see if it really deserves a spot in our portfolio. Part 1. What is SMH? SMH stands for the VanEck Semiconductor ETF. It's designed to track the performance of the largest and most influential semiconductor companies in the world. Instead of trying to pick individual chip stocks, SMH lets you invest in the entire semiconductor ecosystem with a single purchase, covering AI chips, graphics processors, mobile chips, and data center hardware all at once. Part 2. Key characteristics. SMH is a passive ETF, which means it tracks a specific semiconductor index instead of relying on an active manager to pick individual stocks. It comes with an expense ratio of around 0.35%, keeping costs relatively low for investors. And it manages $45 billion in assets as of the making of this video, making it highly liquid and heavily traded in the market. The fund holds roughly 25 companies, which makes it more concentrated than many broad market ETFs and gives investors focused exposure to the chip industry's biggest players. Its dividend yield is typically under 1% because SMH is not designed for income. It's built for growth, innovation, and long-term capital appreciation, targeting investors who want to benefit from the expansion of advanced technology rather than steady dividend payouts. Part 3. Top holdings. SMH is highly concentrated in the leaders of the semiconductor industry, which is why its performance can be explosive during strong technology cycles. Its top holdings typically include Nvidia, Taiwan Semiconductor, Broadcom, AMD, and ASML. These firms control critical patents, supply chains, and innovation pipelines, which means when industries like AI, gaming, cloud computing, or electric vehicles accelerate, they are often the first to benefit, driving much of SMH's growth potential. Part 4. Performance. Since its inception, SMH has delivered exceptional long-term returns, averaging around 27.9% annually, outperforming the broader S&P 500 and most other major ETFs. Returns that large and consistent are extremely rare in the investing world. However, it's important to remember that the semiconductor industry is cyclical, which means SMH can also experience sharper pullbacks during market downturns. For investors with a long-term mindset, these ups and downs can smooth out over time as the global demand for computing power, AI infrastructure, and advanced technology continues to grow. Part 5. Why invest in SMH? SMH is for investors that believe in the future of artificial intelligence, the expansion of data centers and cloud computing, the rise of electric vehicles and smart devices, and the continued global demand for faster, more powerful chips. SMH provides targeted exposure to the companies building the brains behind modern technology, all without the need to research and select individual stocks yourself. If you believe innovation will keep shaping the world for years to come, SMH positions you right at the center of that growth, giving you direct access to the industries driving the next wave of technological advancement. Part 6. Real-world example. Imagine investing $100 every week for 30 years, and SMH continues delivering returns similar to its historical average of around 27.9% annually. Your investment could potentially grow to over $27 million. If this helped you understand SMH better, make sure to like and subscribe for more ETF breakdowns.